First, select the image layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool to remove dark marks on the face. Select the image layer and press Ctrl+J. Now, change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Next, press Ctrl+I to invert the layer. Go to Filter Gives Other Gives High Pass. Then apply Filter Gives Blur Gives Gaussian Blur for a smooth effect. After that, add a layer mask to the image, and press Ctrl+I again to invert the mask. Select the brush tool, switch foreground color. Set the flow to 20%. And gently paint over acne and dark marks on the face. Now open Filter Gives Camera Raw Filter and set sharpening to 90 for a clean and sharp look. Go to Blending Options. Hold the Alt key and drag these sliders to blend the skin naturally. Click OK, and you're done. This is the before and after results: smooth, realistic, and professional skin retouching.